Hey everybody!
Welcome!
Welcome back to our What Sold
On eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari today. We can't wait to show you. We got some good stories behind them too.
Yay!
Alright guys, we're going to start off with a non-sale. These are some awesome Vans shoes here that we found on the Tuesday before last video, so make sure to check that one out. We went to a churchyard sale or garage or thrift store, excuse me, and picked up a whole bunch of stuff. Oh my gosh, these are so comfy. I love them. But now we're going to go to some sales, which, honey, you found these. Actually, you said these were probably yours. These are in bin S3. And these, S3. Yes, S3. So we're going to find those over, let's see, right down here.
Oh, S3, okay.
And these are some Juicy Couture wide leg drawstring sweatpants for $27.99 plus shipping.
I've had these for 20 years.
No way. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. I could have said vintage, but there was nowhere on there that said it, and I was going to like mess with it. But yeah, this was $27.99 worth of pure profit.
Oh my gosh, I know, right? And you listed those on, or started with List Perfectly, listed them over to Poshmark and Mercari, and then I went ahead and put them over on eBay, and that's where they sold.
Yeah.
So get those cross listings in, guys. List Perfectly makes it super easy, and use our link down below to get 30% off your first month.
It's life-changing.
Absolutely. Now in bin Y4 over here, this way, we are going to find some Zara basic straight leg pants. Trousers, women's size M.
Oh, the ones with the buttons.
Yeah, and those went for $14.39 plus shipping. Also on eBay, something that I cross-listed.
Very cool, wide leg, totally in.
Absolutely. So, you know, nearly 15 bucks plus shipping on those. Looks like we took an offer. And we're going to move over to Poshmark. We had a couple sales over there. And we're going to find this in bin U4.
U4, okay.
And this is a figure cobalt blue bikini bathing suit. Let's see, right down here. U4. Oh, here we go.
Oh, I see. Thank you. Yeah. Thanks, babe. Here it is.
And that went for $15 on Poshmark plus shipping. So that's pretty sweet. New tags. Bathing suits, obviously, it's very hot. The summer months. We are, you know, being saved by these summer things during this summer slowdown. Of course, you know, resellers know, you know, for the most part that, you know, sales will slow down in the summertime. And having these types of items really helps, right?
Yes, especially these cute little tankini things. So this one went fairly quickly, and it was a really good size, and it was a large. Gorgeous.
Absolutely. Nice work, honey.
Thanks.
Yeah. So this next one we're going to find in bin X2. And this went on Poshmark. This is a plush, and I think we found this on like a short. You'll remember us finding on a YouTube short. We went to Goodwill and picked up a few things. This went for $15 on Poshmark, so this is pretty sweet. A New York Mets baseball. It's a 7-inch player plush. 2019 good stuff. So that's in bin X2 here. Look at this cute little thing.
Yeah, it is
it's like
cute.
A little caterpillar or like a little worm or something.
Look at your little, oh my gosh, little chunklet.
Right, 15 bucks. So still has the tags on there.
15 bucks.
I think maybe we paid like $1 or $2 at Goodwill, so.
Oh my gosh.
Not bad there.
No.
Absolutely. So now we're going to move on to Mercari, where we had a couple of sales in bin I3, so I'm just going to grab these here. All right, so the first one we're going to talk about is, you'll remember us finding this right here, this Tommy Hilfiger polo shirt here. This went for $25 on Mercari, and you'll remember us finding this in a yard sale video. Remember to check that one out because it was really fun. We picked up a whole bunch of stuff, including this for like $1, if I remember right. So yeah, a really great profit on that there. Didn't take too long to sell as well. And you'll remember us finding these Nike Dry Fit lined running shorts, women's shorts, in a Kohl's retail arbitrage video. Now check that one out because that one sort of started like a retail arbitrage theme for us for a while in the winter when there's no yard sales. And we sort of got bit by the bug, and oh my gosh, that's a lot of fun. So we went to Kohl's, picked these up for next to nothing. You know, they had a massive sale going on. And those went for 20 bucks on Mercari. Plus shipping.
Love it.
Absolutely.
Yep.
Now, another retail arbitrage video. We went to Five Below, and we're going to find our next item over here. This is a Star Wars Chewbacca 6-foot pet leash. Now, this is like the third one of these that have sold, so we should have... I'm pretty sure we picked up all the Chewbacca pet leashes anyway.
Because it was at Five Below, but they were on sale.
They were. And we got a whole bunch of leashes and collars for like $2 a piece, including these. And this is like the fourth one maybe that is sold.
Yeah.
And this one for, again, $12 plus shipping on Mercari. So a good $10 profit there with no selling fees on Mercari now. So pretty sweet there. We still have quite a few left, but...
They're moving.
I know, we're in profit land pretty much on those collars and leashes, I would say.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So let's see, we'll go back to eBay. We had quite a few more sales over there. And this one is in bin S1. Now this I picked out of the bins. I probably picked up a whole big set of this. And one of the things didn't work, so I just decided to part it out. Here's a VTech base for a cordless phone, basically. So see, that went for $10.99 plus shipping. I've sold the handsets and other adapters for it already. So, I mean, it's pretty much profit because I probably got them for like $1.50 in the Goodwill bins, the whole set. So that's not so bad. Now, this next item is really fun. And I'm sure people are washing their pets all the time outside now with a hose, and they need some pet soap. And this is some fun stuff. You'll remember us finding a whole big bin of these pet shampoo bars here in a video where we went to one of our favorite yard sales that opens up once in a while. It's a huge barn, and oh my gosh, we picked up this whole set I think for $40, and these Chubb's pet shampoo soap bar lot of 2 Frost went for $16.99 plus shipping. And again, we have still an entire bin full here, so we'll find the right ones here and get those out to the pet owner that wants their pets to smell like Frost, I guess. So
Frosting,
yes.
I guess, right?
I know, right? And we're definitely in profit land there. I don't know, we sold at least half a dozen or so of those, so that's pretty awesome. And we're gonna go into the movie and music room over here. We have just one sale. Now that is a classic, one of my favorite movies by Stanley Kubrick, Full Metal Jacket, if you don't remember that. It's about the war in Vietnam. Just a really great movie. Kind of gruesome, but tells a lot. And that went for $78.88, free shipping. Not a huge sale, but I'm pretty sure I got this for like $0.25 or something. So make a few bucks with 2 minutes of work and get this movie to the right collector. And we got 2 more items going out on eBay. Now we'll find those over here. Both of them are in bin A1. Oh, this one is close to A1. This is a sticker sheet. Now we had found 3 of these. And this went for $11.99 plus shipping. It is a Spider Farmer vinyl sticker sheet, 12-pack with various sizes. So it's like an 18-inch sticker sheet in itself. So pretty cool. We got 3 of those, and this sold really fast for $12 plus shipping. There were none other for sale, so I just kind of had to guess.
Well done.
I mean, maybe it was priced a little too low. It sold so fast. One of them, anyway.
Oh, really? Yeah.
So I'm sure eventually these other ones will sell. Now, the last one you'll remember us finding, I believe, probably in another short where we went to Goodwill, maybe even the same exact short. We found this members-only bomber jacket, like that classic windbreaker, totally retro, 80s style. Tan, of course, right here, members only. And that went for $15.99 plus shipping. I thought maybe it would go for a little bit more, but...
Me too, but it sat there for a while.
It sat there for a little bit, and judging by this SKU, we listed it in April. So, 3 months or so, 3-4 months.
That's not that bad.
Not so bad.
No.
Yeah. But anyways, that was it for today, guys. And we are very thankful for each and every sale during these very slow summer months at times, right? And oh my gosh, we can't wait to get outside and enjoy those kayaks some more. And
yes,
guys,
the clover yard.
The clover yard's looking great. There's no more big patchy spots or anything like that. So
thanks for spending time with us, everybody, and we can't wait to see you guys really soon.
Yeah, guys, take care and congratulations on your great day of sales and hats off to you.
Bye. Oh my God, I can't wait to get out in the water. Come on. I'm having so much fun. I can't wait to. I want to explore over by the baby swans.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, let's try not to get eaten.
Woohoo! What do you got there?
It's a baby largemouth bass. He's very sweet.
Oh,
He's not big, but it doesn't mean I appreciate him any less.
we'll call him Billy.
We're gonna call Billy and we're gonna tell him to go find your grandpa and send him over.
Billy Bass.
Bye.
Bye.
I wanna cry. Oh my God, that's the first fish I've caught in like a couple of years, and nothing makes me happier than being out here in nature and fishing. Oh my God. That was awesome.
Good catch, babe.
Thanks. Oh my God, look, there's little ones.